Hi everyone, my name is Ilya and I want to show you how to make the baklava recipe that I learned 65 years ago when I working as chocolate salesman in Istanbul and visiting a lot of pastry cook shop, and I learned how to make good baklava. The better thing is with the pistachio. Now, I have this tray. It's 55 years old tray. When I working as truck jockey in Westinghouse warehouse, I use it this one and make baklava on this one. I cut the filo pastry just to fit the tray, and there is a small pieces I put inside. Firstly, I buttering the tray. Yes, like this. And I use about 6 double filo. And buttering again. Not many filo on the bottom because it doesn't need. And put on the top of the pistachio to rise the filo. Another one. Well, sorry if I make something wrong because I'm legally blind for the moment.
Okay.
Not totally blind, but legally blind. I can see properly.
Okay,
Anyway.
very fine.
And now I put the pistachio, not all, I leave it a little bit for the put on the top. And that's enough for the top.
Yep.
To flatten the pistachio. Make even everywhere.
Yep.
Raw pistachio.
Yep.
Somebody use roasted, up to you. And now I'll put a couple filo pastry. Maintain buttering. Use the butter. And more filo pastry from the small one I had before
Yeah.
on the side.
It's good that it's not getting wasted.
Of course,
Yeah.
on the side, 2 or 3 together.
2 or
doesn't
3
matter.
together at a time doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Okay.
Buttering again. If you use clarified butter, the G is better.
Yeah.
And now I read in the internet that in Istanbul, the pastry cook, to cut the corner, they use dry pea 50% and pistachio 50% to mix up. In our time, they use pistachio only, nothing like this.
These days is gone.
They gone. They had to feed 90 million people. In my time, when I left Istanbul in 1967, the population of Istanbul was 1,850,000. Today, over 20 million, just in Istanbul. 2 Greece, living in one city. Of course, they had to cut some corner. Now the cutting. Can you cut it, Christine? But
Sure.
I can't see properly.
Okay.
Cut hard till they go to the bottom. Yeah. Yeah. Put the finger to, yeah. Get all the way because we
Yes.
have to put the butter
Yes.
to absorb all.
Yes, all the way.
And this one, yeah. Cut in the middle. And now we're putting the butter. And if it's now ready, you put it in the oven,
Yes.
in hot oven, 280, 200 degree. If you see the filo parsley get brownish, it's ready, not burning. Afterward, we cool down the baklava and use it hot syrup, cool baklava. If you use both syrup and baklava hot, get mushy, no good. Yeah, now I put it on the, yes. It's ready, like this.
Yeah.
But I leave it there to cool down and now make this sugar syrup. Because I have long time to do it, baklava, anyway, and I'm 85 years old. Sorry for my mistake sometime. We put 2 cups sugar, I remember, and less than 1.5 water to get boiling. 2 cups sugar and 1 quarter water to dissolve, to boiling. Now I put there.
Yep.
Till to stop to boil, and I show you the trick.
Yeah,
And
that's
that's
it. That's it.
Okay, and now we put little bit lemon, we squeeze a little bit lemon. And turn it off. I'm pouring the syrup. Better you pour, Christine, I can't see properly.
In the lines.
Yeah, yeah, slow, the line, yeah, everywhere, yeah. And I have to put the rest of the pistachio on the top like this for decoration. Oh, was a bit better anyway. That's bingo.
Fantastic.
Baklava is ready. Now to cool down and absorb all the syrup inside. Just I let the pastry 24 hours to settle down. I mean to filo and the nut absorb all the syrup. And the best way is if you cook the baklava, do it next day, and never put it in the fridge. For deep freeze, 50-50, up to you. And I'll try one. Presentation, okay. Before I forget, I mentioned the best pastry filo, the thin one for baklava in Melbourne is andoniu. And be careful, there is two kinds of andoniu. One thinner for baklava and one thicker for make
Pita.
pita and triangle borekake, they call.
Okay.
And the cheaper version of the baklava is with the walnut. And when you use walnut, ground walnut, use half teaspoon cinnamon to keep the tangy taste more tastier. And try one.
Yep.
See? Yes. Presentation looks like okay for me. And absorb all the syrup. The filo pastries rise. And you fill it when it's room temperature, you fill the butter and the syrup and the nuts. It's better tasted.
Okay.
Okay?
Do you want to taste it?
If I want to taste it, I don't like to taste it because my sugar level is on the borderline.
Okay.
I think so it's okay
Okay.
for my age anyway.
Okay.
And I want to say another thing. The last time I make baklava was last century. Yeah, I mean 25 years ago. But still I remember the recipe. I think it's okay because my personal computer is here.
You did really well. You remembered everything.
Yes,
Well done,
it was
Ilya.
a kid, and,
Okay. It looks beautiful.
may I say
Yes.
in Greek,
Yes.
Orexi, and because I am from Constantinople, because I say politis and speak Turkish, I say in Turkish too. Afiyet şeker olsun. Another thing to mention, everybody thinks the baklava is Turkish pastry. No, the baklava is Syrian sweet pastry. Like, they use it in Damascus, Halep, and Antiochia, Hatay of Turkey, Gaziantep. All these areas, Syrian people. And of course, go to the Cyprus, use it. The Greek use it. International.
It is. It's something to be
Yeah.
shared by everyone.
Yeah. And that's all what I said.
Beautiful.
Let's have a nice day where you are. And I say
All the
bye-bye.
best. Bye-bye. Thank you, Ilya. Thank you. Γεια στα χέρια σου.
Φέρα θες να δεις.
Θα φάμε. Absolutely. Subscribe, save and share this video so we can make more quality content for you.